Hi guys, welcome back to Exclusiivvee.SGang. So guys, today I'll be reacting to Boy Boy No Talk because somebody commented that I react to Boy Boy. So the person comment will be somewhere around on the screen there. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and turn on the post notification bell if you want to be matching in my next video. Bye! So, no long talking, let me get into the video. Let me see this video speaking on them. The plan on them.
Alright, tonight is the night of our meeting. Everyone here was chosen because they're capable of carrying out the mission. Mission, no talk. The boss is on his way. Mass up.
The boss is on his way. Who is the boss, bye? Dog outside. Boy is the boss on it. Black quick.
Easy no man. Slide go. Heavy. You troublemaker.
So did the crime.
Pull up on the scene.
So did the crime on them.
Shot fly and boy get blind. Easy no man, so we did. And you like an arm chase, and then we do it. You're black with. Thematic, them no stick. Watch it. Some boy.
Slowly them, hold on there.
Everybody knows me have it onions. Everybody knows. We no big friend, we no much up in it hard, we no friend. If I run up in the sense, send two bad girl fish circle lemons, come in them love smoke and drink with them friends. And me never panic when them out take a speed, tell them we know that please tell them the react. Can't trouble my cat, tell them in how me squeeze out of the icky and I'm spread. Some boy dead, they kept them on the man. My matic never stick when me get
never stick.
When me want me the bag, a boy get struck and stuck like I tell you we no broke house and she can start squeeze and no boy.
The broke house all here.
Heavy, head back up high, and we no complain. When me get you look fuck a line me pan the back. Black big, rise up with them 16 them alright. Now squeeze and chicken them boy them dead. Watch it.
What's jump?
Everything sharp, black people love me no like the dark much.
Start over. Rub it out. So yeah, that video was my Baba is not good artist. I understand. I don't have much to say about the person, but the song really hard. I never liked that first only a big man thing because I didn't really understand the song, but some kind of people kind of betray me too. So I started listening to this song, and we not much about the talk, and we not friend. If you understand what I say. So the song nice, the video bad, no talk. He was coming, and I can't really have much to say. I don't have much to say earlier. I don't have much to say. I understand. But Keep up the good work, dog. If you see this, oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.